Hi guys, welcome back to Two-Stroke Grinding and Reviews. Today we're going to be putting the bearings in my 044 build, and hopefully if we can find the gasket kit that I have somewhere, put the crankshaft in and torque it all up. So I'll go get the bearings out of the freezer and see what happens. I'm going to start with the PTO side. There we go. One that went in surprisingly easily. It dropped down, then I just had to drive it the rest of the way with my little awl. Now I'm going to do the ignition side. Hopefully this should be just as easy. So I'll heat it up and see how it goes. That went in super duper easy. Alright, so I've actually had to replace the second bearing on this side, on the ignition side, because it's faulty. So this is a little bit late, but just gonna heat it back up with the heat gun, drop the bearing in, and then also drop the crank in. So bear with us. A lot nicer. So now this will go back in the fridge. Cool this down, mainly so the crank gets cold. Then the the other half, I'll just heat that back up a little bit once I get the gasket here. And they'll go together. Make sure I put the locator pins in, and then just nice and gently screw it in.